Submitting a manuscript to a journal is a 5-step process. The first step is the manuscript info. On this page, you will put your manuscript title, the subtitle if your manuscript has one, a minimum of 4 keywords, a 1-paragraph abstract, the total number of authors on the manuscript, the journal in which you're submitting to, the access type, and any research areas that your manuscript falls under. There's also an optional special issue if the journal has one that you can submit to. If you wish to have your manuscript be open access, you would click the open access button in which your page will reload, and then there's more information that you would need to fill out. Once completed, you would hit save and continue, which will bring you onto the next page, which is the authors page. On this page, you would add any authors to the manuscript. You would need the first and last name of the authors, their email address, the institution in which they work for, and the location of that institution, along with the optional biography. Once you fill out all the information, you would hit the Add Resource button and repeat this step for every author. Once finished, you would scroll down and click Continue, which will bring you to the Documents page. Here's where you would upload your manuscript. The file type you want is Manuscript Chapter. You would hit Choose File, select the manuscript from your file folders, and then click Upload File. Once uploaded, you would scroll down. You'll see the manuscript listed here, and you would hit Continue, which brings you onto the Figures page. This page is where you upload any and all figures for your manuscript. The top of the page gives you some information on how the figures should look, how many figures there are that you've already uploaded, along with the note that you should upload your figures in order. If your manuscript has no figures, you may click this button. If not, please scroll down, hit Choose File, and upload your figures in order. Once all figures are uploaded, press Continue. This is the overview page and the final step in the submission process. Here is where you can verify all the information that you have submitted is correct. Once verifying that all information is correct, you would scroll to the bottom and there would be a Submit button. Once you hit this button, your manuscript has been submitted to the journal, and you should receive an email notification notifying you that the submission has been received.